Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to It Johar page. My name is Johar and I am proud of to be a Rohingya. I created this page with a simple to share motivational videos and knowledge based videos that can inspire and empower our community. Life is full of challenges, and sometimes we all need a little encouragement and guidance. On this page, you will find content that helps you stay positive, learn new things, and grow both mentally and emotionally. I want this to be a space where everyone feels inspired and connected with its personal growth knowledge about the world or small dose of daily motivation. My aim is to make a difference in our lives step by step. I also hope to highlight the strength and resilience of our Rohingya community through this platform. So, if you are ready to learn, grow, and stay inspired, make sure to follow, comment this page. Hope together. Thank you again for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.